How the invisible threads of our internet-connected lives can be severed or manipulated by unseen adversaries. Well, brace yourself for a journey into the hidden world of network attack vectors. Picture a network as a city and data as its citizens. Like any city, there are multiple routes and methods to move these citizens around. These routes, in the world of cybersecurity, are what we call network attack vectors. Now, to understand these vectors in a structured way, we'll follow the OSI model, a conceptual framework that standardizes the functions of a communication system into 7 distinct categories. At the top of the OSI model sits the application layer. This is where the users interact with the system, but it's also where bugs and vulnerabilities can be exploited to launch an attack. Picture a city's public services. They're essential, but if a crafty criminal finds a loophole, they might just exploit it to their advantage. Next, we have the presentation layer. Imagine this as the city's PR department, translating and formatting data so it can be understood by the user. Here, a malicious actor might try to deliver a fraudulent payload, akin to spreading false information to create chaos. The session layer is where the data's journey through the network is managed. A stolen or predicted token can be used here to hijack a user session, like a thief stealing someone's train ticket and taking their seat. Moving down, the transport and network layers are the city's transport system, moving data to its destination. Just as a city's transport infrastructure could be disrupted, a distributed denial of service or DDoS attack can wreak havoc here, preventing data from reaching its destination. The Datalink layer is where data gets its address, allowing it to be delivered correctly. Spoofing, or pretending to be a trusted source, is a common tactic for man-in-the-middle attacks here, like a criminal impersonating a postman to intercept your mail. Finally, the physical layer represents the actual wires, cables, and radio waves that carry data. Sniffing out wired or wireless packets is a common way to attack this layer, akin to eavesdropping on a private conversation. In the end, understanding network attacks is not just about knowing what can go wrong. It's about appreciating the complexity and vulnerability of the systems that keep our digital world spinning. It's about recognizing the importance of security at every level, from the physical cables that carry our data to the applications we interact with daily. So, if this journey into the shadowy world of network attacks has intrigued you, consider subscribing to Demystify Tech for more insights into the digital world that surrounds us. With knowledge comes power, and in the world of cybersecurity, that power can mean the difference between safety and vulnerability. Remember, not all that glitters in the city of data is gold. Stay curious, stay vigilant, and most importantly, stay safe. Until the next time, this is at Demystify Tech.